Holla at your boy, holla at your Rob Roy, holla at your...
My J.O., if you can tell.
We in the building. We're about to show y'all guys how to make the perfect outtake intake. Alright, take two. You about to show you guys how to make the perfect energy recovery drink. Holla at your boy, holla at your... No, not energy, but just perfectly covered drink. Follow it again. Let's get into the video! Apple, banana, oats, frozen mixed berries, spinach, milk of your choosing. We go with 1%, and we might get into almond milk. Holla at your boy, holla at your Robert, holla at you.
My J.O., if you can
We
tell.
get something to mix with. We have the NutriBullet, the Magic Bullet, holla at your boy, and this is what we mix it in, and that's the blender we choose to mix it in. So first, what we're gonna do is I get a half an apple, I cut it down the middle, slice, holla at your boy, and you gotta be careful right here. I cut like this. Be careful with your hands. A lot of people get cut like this. I was explaining earlier to my boy the last time we did one that a lot of people get cut right here with the knife. So be careful. You just want to get that out. Take the seeds. Boom, boom. Come on, get out there, seed. And then I like to chop it in thirds. So unos, that's three right there. So what I like to do, I take the banana and we take a half a banana. Use this half or this half, doesn't really matter. To go, holla at your boy, holla at your Miles JL. We just put like, I'll say about 3 tablespoons in. So yeah, I said about 3 tablespoons. Oats. This I put about, I say, scroll back some, about that much. What is that, about 8 leaves in there? I put in there, so about 8 leaves. With berries, I just put it, you know, I'll just say a quarter cup, half a cup of berries. Now just put berries to your liking. A lot of people don't like a lot of berries, but berries are good for you. Good antioxidant. Now, what is this? This is honey. A lot of people put honey in there. So if you like some all natural sweetness, just put a little bit of honey in there. Honey it's good for a lot of things. So holla at your boy, holla at your Robert, how's my JLs. Let's get into the video. I like to get the milk going. I pour about whatever that little line is. Minimum. It's probably 8 ounces. 8 ounces. Then I put my banana in there. Bananas, manna. Alright. Bloop. A little banana go a long ways. I put my apple, my 3 apps, and then I go and get my little bit of greens. About that much I said. Chunk that on in there. Boom. Throw my berries. That's too many. About a handful right there. That's enough berries right there. And then, you know, I said we like to get our oats. Just keep it right here, okay? Get your oats in there because you need to have your carbs. I put a little extra oats in there, but it's fine. And then we're gonna put this right here, a little bit of this. What is this, the honey? Still give it that all natural. All natural. Take it up a notch. Come on. Dang. You also could put peanut butter, guys. Some people put that peanut butter in there, but one thing about peanut butter, once you put peanut butter in, it becomes a peanut butter shake no matter what. So, all right, that's about it right there. That's for the honey. And then I just take this and I just go like this. Oh, put that in there. So is everything in there? All the ingredients? Yes, they is. Yes, they are. Let's get into the video. So, everything's in there. You see it all looking all natural. Like I said, another thing about this, you want to take this between 30 to 45 minutes after your workout. Between 30 to 45 minutes. You want to get this in your body, all natural, perfect. All right? And then make sure it's plugged in, guys. You can't get another one without that. Without that plug in right there. So, I'll be back in a second. In a second. Now, we got to get here. Oh, that's the toaster oven back there. So right there, guys. You ready? You see the bananas on? You go. Do that. Shake it around. All right. Let's get in there. Oh, man, that's on tight. Hold on. So let's see what it looks like. Pretty much, this is a perfect all-natural drink. I always like to rinse my things off before I put them in there. So guys, rinse that off. That's a little tip right there. Rinse that off before you, so you don't have it all stuck in on the sink when you got to do the dishes all stuck on there. So that's pretty much it, guys. It's right here. This is our drink right here. But let's get into the taste test. Boy, Miles, let's get into the taste test. Go. What do you think?
That's good. I taste all of them too. That was good.
What can you taste in there?
I can taste the apple. I can taste the oats, the honey, and the spinach, and some of the banana.
All right. Holla at your boy, holla at your rising AL. Miles JL, we up in here. We done just made the best, perfect, all-natural recovery drink. And like, comment, share, subscribe. Gotta add that in the beginning too. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, ring the bell. What else you gotta do, Miles?
Comment down below, Leggett Squad, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done.
All right. Also, we gotta get into the giveaway. It's coming before, because anything in the video can't be given away. If you need one of those, let us know. We'll get. You already put the recipe down there. Just follow the video, rewind it a couple times. And you got any questions? Comment down below. Holla at your boy. Holla at your Rob Boy. Holla at yo.
Miles JL, freaking tell.
It's in the building. We out of here.